Hi everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to take you along while I sort out my closet. So without further ado, I think we should start this video. So, okay, I just have this huge pile of clothes right next to me. I'm just going to insert a little clip right now. I just really wanted to go through it, you know, sort things out, maybe donate some stuff I don't wear or I don't, like anymore. So I think I should just start with just doing it. These are all my tops and pullovers I'm going to keep. These are like my trousers, my shorts, my leggings. And up here I have a pile which I'm going to donate. And I really need to sort out which things I'm going to hang up. So let's just continue with that. In here I've got my skirts and shorts. I've got some pants down there. I've got some jeans right here. My body's up there. I've got pullovers, I've got shirts, I've got stuff I wanted to hang or I hang up, and I've got my gym clothes. Okay, so I hung up my favorite things, kind of sorted them like colors, and I've got my long sleeves here, some like chunky sweaters and zipper jackets down here. I've got some t-shirts there. So I've got my skirts and shorts here, some pants here, some jeans back there, and then I've got my gym stuff down here. And I didn't actually go through this, but I've got like chunky sweaters in here for the winter time. And yeah, that's so better, so much cleaner. I just love it. Alright, so I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it because personally, as I said, I love to watch those cleaning and sorting out videos. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow me around on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification thing, definitely. And if you want to see more of me, follow me on my Instagram at RobsonAmy. As usual, I'm going to blend it in right here and link it down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.